For anybody that doesn't know, if you have a travel trailer, you more than likely have a seven-way trailer plug for your trailer wiring, and there is a 12-volt pin on that can run off of your vehicle's battery. But at least in Chevrolet's case, they decided not to hook that up from the factory, so you have to do it yourself. It's actually pretty easy to do. This is a 2007 Chevy Suburban. It's the same for 2007 to, I believe, 2012 Suburban, Silverado, Sierras. All you gotta do is go under your hood. It's gonna be taped to that harness down there. I already cut the tape, but there's a wire. It's already got an end on it. There's a stud. Oh, it's got a little green. There's a stud under the hood, and I checked, and this 30 amp fuse feeds power to that stud. So all you gotta do, run that wire over there, put it on there, put a nut on it, tighten it down. Of course, make sure it's not touching the other one. And you're good to go. We're gonna go double check. Power probe hooked up right. Anyway, go down to the upper right pin. Boom. 12 volts. Plug it in the camper, start the truck, charging your batteries. No generator, no solar required.